So hey guys, now that we're at this table with my sister and this paper and our iPads, we're gonna be building some fun planes from Fold and Fly, and then testing how far and how long they are in the sky. So I'm gonna do this basic dart here, and Solana?
Oh, I have no idea what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, so the basic dart, yeah. Okay,
do a
so
fancy one.
fancy one? Oh gosh. Ooh.
Crosswing. I'm gonna do
Crosswing? Okay. So apparently for the dart, you fold the paper in half. Fold paper in half. Okay. Then unfold and then fold the corners to the center of the line. So this is looking kind of
Are we
normal.
gonna race to see who finishes first?
Sure, let's go. Oh gosh.
But you have to fold it correctly too.
Yeah, okay. Actually, let's not race because... Wait, did you choose a hard one?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Well,
Oh gosh. Okay, so... Oh, so this is...
what are they talking about? What?
You can choose another
Okay,
plane
so
if you
fold the
like.
paper in half widthwise. Fold. Fold the top corners to the center line so that the bottom corners crease symmetrically.
You can choose another one if you
No.
like.
I'm gonna figure this out.
Okay.
No, because it
Yeah.
looks like it stays folded. Do I just fold it again?
I don't know. Mine's looking a lot like a normal plane that you'd build every day.
Well,
You
yeah,
know,
that
there's,
is the
like,
normal thing you build every day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, the dart?
Yeah.
Oh, huh.
That's
Okay, so fold the wings down. Okay, so fold this in half. And then fold the wings down to meet the bottom edge of the plane's bottom. So, like this.
I think I understand this.
You do?
I think so. Oh shoot.
I'm surprised. Oh gosh.
Darn it.
Okay, here we
This
go.
is harder than it looks.
Yeah.
Please don't. It's harder than it looks.
It's pretty difficult. Well, this basic dart obviously isn't very hard.
But this one's harder than it looks.
Yeah, my sister's looks pretty difficult though. Okay.
What did I do?
So cow. Okay. So this looks pretty good. Huh.
Okay. 3. Open up the sheet and accordion fold the top corners in.
Okay. I'm gonna build.
Okay. Whoa. Open up the sheet. Accordion fold
I'm gonna
the
build
top
a
corners.
UFO.
In.
The UFO looks pretty cool. Okay. This plane is shaped like a flying saucer.
So I go like this.
Oh my
I
gosh.
don't understand.
That looks very difficult.
This is very hard to understand.
Oh. Oh wait, mine you need scissors. I'm gonna go get scissors real quick. See you guys in a second.
Well, I struggle.
It's okay, Solana. Okay. So some scissors, so cut out the bottom corner to round it off as shown. Okay.
What, we're doing a complicated one now?
Yeah, I'm doing medium. So not quite as hard as yours.
I'm not even sure if I'm doing this step correctly. Hopefully I am, because if I'm not, I'm gonna have to restart because I want to make this play. Wow!
Okay.
I did it.
Oh, so apparently you're also supposed to fold this in half. Oh, I understand. So you're supposed to do this. is supposed to go
Fold
right.
out the sides to create wings and fold the ends up about 1 inch.
That's
Okay, this is good. I'm almost done.
Yes, you are. You're pretty much done now. You just have to do the default, making wings. Okay. Oh, and then we fold the top edge down about 1 inch. This is actually kind of looking like a UFO-ish. I usually think UFOs are more like circular instead of like whatever
Rectangulars, UFOs are
this is. Like rectangular sort of
also common.
whatever.
I mean,
I don't know. I guess UFOs are circular in stories, maybe? Fold the plane half towards you. Okay. Just like you did. Sometimes that's what happens with
it's
us.
dying.
It's okay. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm pretty much done. Ooh. Yeah, looks like I'm pretty much done. So this is a fun little UFO plane. Oh, that actually flies really nicely. That's pretty cool. I like it.
Okay, I'm done too. Yay!
Oh, that looks much better than both my planes.
Oh, wait for it.
Okay, let's see. Oh!
My plane died. My plane is dead.
Oh,
It goes
gosh.
quickly though. It goes
Yeah,
fast.
that's pretty good. Oh gosh. Oh, wait. So, looks like wait. Oh,
Hey,
oh, that's actually a pretty good plan. Yeah. Wait.
Why can you fly it and I can't
I think
fly
you did
it?
that wrong. Just a sec. Can I have that? I think you did that wrong. I think these go like this, and this goes like this, and then. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, so yeah. You see, those things are folded down. It looks
I
like.
feel like such an airplane amateur.
It's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Next plane. I don't know. I think King Bee, Eagle Eye. I think I'm gonna try the Eagle Eye. This one looks, the Eagle Eye also takes cutting. The Eagle Eye is
Apparently,
decorative.
My
It doesn't actually
crosswing,
fly. Okay.
its size and heavy nose was supposed to make it one of the better flying planes.
It's okay.
Ouch, you're hurting me.
So,
My hair is like,
okay, ooh, I'm gonna try underside plane. Oh, the bird.
stunt plane.
Stunt. What, stunt plane? Oh, that looks really cool. I'm
I am doing a stunt plane.
I'm gonna do underside plane. This is looking fun. And this one, the extra underside flaps will keep it up in the air. So if you don't know what flaps are, they're basically things on the plane. Then when the wind hits the flaps, so this is the wing, this is the wing, these are the flaps. And when the wind hits the flaps, it pushes the wings up, which pushes the plane up.
Trust him, he's an expert.
Yeah. Ish. No, I've just been doing Aussie planes like a couple months. Anyways, so fold the sheet of paper in half vertically and then horizontally. Then open it back away. think this is gonna be like this. Uh-oh. Oh no. One more time.
I'm just gonna go.
No, Mommy can. Okay, so apparently repeat step 6 on the right side. So that is our last step.
Just to repeat steps.
Yeah, mine's looking pretty easy currently. Yay! I have for fun another plane. See if it actually flies. I don't know. I'm gonna try that again actually, because maybe you just have to give it like a little push. I don't know. I think that's okay.
You're gonna have the easy ones.
I know.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Wait, so it looks like you're supposed to fold this down.
This is
So fold back the peak.
Oh, I get it.
I do not get it.
So you go like that. And you go like that.
Okay.
And then you go like very complicated.
Oh, I think I understand it now.
I might be completely wrong, so
No,
don't quote me on
that
this.
kind
but
of makes sense, I think. I think that's logical.
It really doesn't, but.
I mean,
So, wait, actually I did it wrong
you
again.
did?
Yeah, I have to fold it twice so that it like stays. Become a triangle again.
Okay.
Retake your shape, your ancestral shape.
Okay, so you do that.
So, and then I fold it
There.
there
And there.
and there.
Wow, that's very complex.
Well, I'm probably completely wrong. I'm doing this seriously complicated.
That's probably true. But I think you're doing it right though. Yeah, that makes sense. So then
This makes
the
sense.
top peak.
This
Yeah,
is good.
That's
I'm not
good.
crazy.
Yeah, I think.
You think I'm not crazy.
I think.
That's less to go.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. This one. Got it. How to do it. Here. Get that nice thing.
Actually, maybe twice.
Okay. Triangle folded inward.
Okay,
Now,
okay.
I'm gonna do it. This is my plane. I will get my 6 points.
Okay. Wow, this stunt plane sure is pretty difficult. Okay.
And then I just realized I folded it so that it can't come out completely.
I knew it. Actually, maybe. Wait. Then this goes here. And then. I think that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, but it doesn't have a nose.
It's fine, I
It's pretty complicated, I think.
Yeah.
I mean.
So
Oh, I have
then-
to fold it more.
No, it's just folding the wings. That's the easy part now.
Fold the plane in half towards you.
The body should be about an inch tall.
Finally, fold out the sides to create the wings.
So, okay. And the body should be about an inch tall. So, yeah. Okay. That's looking good. That's looking good. and then the other side.
And then the other side.
The last fold.
Wow.
And I think that's it. Yeah,
That is it.
That is it.
Let's try it.
Can I throw it?
You can throw it after I throw it.
Okay. Okay. Forward.
You can throw it after I throw it.
Okay. Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
Can I do this?
Maybe.
He's
Go on. Go on. Go on. Oh my, that was.
I just don't have a way with planes.
Maybe, I don't know. So let's try this one more time.
I mean, I'm pretty good with RC, but
ish, yeah. I mean, you can fly beginner planes.
yeah, I can fly beginner planes.
Oof, that was like total kamikaze right into the camera. Oh my. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I don't know if it's worth it. Maybe it is. Stunt plane. Kamikaze into camera. Stunt. Get it? So apparently we had a bit too much paper. I think we've got all our planes here.
All of our planes.
Yes.
So it looks like it got kissed.
Yeah, but it's actually just the stamp. Yeah.
Did you make this?
Yeah, I made that one.
Okay, so this one's mine and this one's mine.
And these are all mine. So tomorrow I think we're gonna go test these all out and see which one stays in the air longest and which one goes furthest. So there's gonna be 2 tests and we're gonna see which plane is the best in each category. Yeah, so see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
That actually works.
I'm gonna try these. No.